Note: the procedure shown in this video is for a mechanically similar notebook in the HP ProBook 400 series. The procedure for this notebook is identical. Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the battery and large service door. Note: removal and replacement procedures are the same for a hard disk drive or a solid-state drive. Removal: remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the drive assembly to the base enclosure. Access and grasp the Mylar tab on the drive bracket and slide the drive assembly to disconnect it from its connector on the system board. Lift the drive assembly out of the base enclosure. Remove the four thick 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the drive to the drive bracket. Lift and remove the hard disk or solid-state drive from its bracket. Place the hard disk or solid-state drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the hard disk or solid-state drive from the static dissipative bag. Place the hard disk or solid-state drive into the drive bracket, aligning the screw holes on the sides. Replace the four thick 3mm P1 Phillips head screws to secure the drive to the drive bracket. With a Mylar tab side up and the drive connector appropriately oriented, place the drive assembly into the drive bay in the base enclosure. Grasp the Mylar tab and slide the drive to fully seat the drive into its connector on the system board. Replace the four 3mm P1 Phillips head screws to secure the drive assembly to the base enclosure. Continue the reassembly. Replace the large service door and battery.